I finally got my shipping container. And the driver was able to put it where I wanted it. It was a little bit back and forth, but he maneuvered it. He did a great job. Great job. So happy. He went up and backed it in. I mean, he came in from, let's see, he went by the driveway and backed it in. So happy that he was able to do it without a problem. It's not the prettiest thing, but I will be doing some sanding and filling and stuff like that if I think it needs it, and painting it in the near future. So it's only a 20 foot. That's all I felt that I needed. I'm gonna have to do some little bit of stuff to make some improvements or whatever before I start building my shelves and all that stuff that I want to get in here. This is just for storage, so it's fine. It is fine. It'll do. Got the hooks up there. The doors are definitely not the easiest things to open. Sheesh. The doors are not the easiest things to open, but what can you expect? I think he said it was 2008. So, yay. I'm going to have to build that up a little bit. That area right there. So, yeah, definitely got to do some sanding and some filling and stuff of that nature. So, yay. I got my container.